Hi everyone, it's Caroline and today we're gonna talk about the Treadmill R2 from WalkingPad, a 2-in-1 foldable treadmill. Let's get started. So the R2 is an hybrid. This means you will be able to use it as a regular treadmill where you can run on it, or you can turn it into a walking pad. You will be able to slide it under a standing desk, so it's perfect for those who want to work from home. One of the best features of the R2 is that it can fold into 180 degrees. Once folded, it takes almost no space. You will be able to store it against a wall, behind the door, or even under your sofa. It's perfect if you don't have much room at home. One other advantage, it comes already assembled. Just take it out of the box, plug it, and it's ready to go. It weighs 36 kg or 79 pounds. But don't worry, thanks to these front wheels, you will be able to move it around very easily. Look-wise, it's a bit old-school in grey and black, with simple lines. But it's neutral enough to fit into any interior. The handrail is adjustable in height, and it also has a built-in box that turns into a phone holder when you open it, where you can also store the remote control and the security attachment. It also has adjustable feet, so it's perfect even on uneven floor. The R2 has two modes. The walking mode that goes from 0.5 to 3.7 miles per hour, or up to 6 km per hour, or the running mode that goes from 0.5 to 7.45 miles per hour, or 12 km per hour. That's enough for active walking, a jogging, or even a solid run. So you will be able to control the speed with the remote control or through the KS-Fit app on your smartphone. It also has an automatic mode, which is only available in walking mode, where the speed is adjusted based on your feet on the platform. So step forward to speed up, move back to slow down, and you can also jump out of the device and it's gonna completely stop. It has a 918 watt brushless motor, enough to be powerful and quiet. So you can use it without disturbing anybody. Perfect if you want to do some video calls. The running surface is 120 centimeters long and 44 centimeters large, which is 47 inches long and 17 inches large. So it's wide enough for a natural run, even for taller people. Plus, the folio cushioning make it very comfortable for your joints. It supports up to 110 kg, which is equal to 240 pounds. So it works for most users. And in case if you are heavier than that, you can check this video right there. It comes with a LED display at your feet level that will show you your time, speed, distance, and calorie burn. You will also be able to track all those data on the KS-Fit app. The console also has touch button, where you will be able to go from manual to automatic mode. In terms of safety, it comes with security key attachment, but the device will stop if you jump out of it. Now about the limitation. Of course, it's not perfect. There is no armrest like other hybrid model you can find. So this makes it more compact but less secure if you need more support. And if you want to work on your speed, this one is not the one for you, because it can go only up to 12 km per hour or 7.45 miles per hour. And finally, but this is more about my personal opinion, I think the design is a bit old school, with a smaller display compared to other models. I will recommend the R2 if you working from home and want to work out while working, want to work from home with an elevated desk, if you're a beginner who want to burn extra calories, a more advanced user who want to keep up with cardio, or anyone with small space who wants something compact. And the good news is you will get a great discount. You will find the link and the code in the description just below. In the meantime, if you have any question regarding this model or any other model, feel free to ask me and I will be more than happy to reply. And that's it for me. I will see you soon. Ciao!